In the compliance department, are here to provide support and guidance to all our employees and self-employed. We're easily accessible, we're reaching out to you, we're here to assist you. Especially now in these COVID times, we know the challenges of many businesses. So you would find the assigned invigilator will visit you ever so often or even call you to ensure that you are compliant in terms of you would have prepared your records, if your business would have ceased operations temporarily or permanently. We are reaching out to you to ensure that what we have in our system matches what is happening with your business. We're here to help and we are approachable. So if there are any issues, concerns, once we reach out to you, or you can even visit us to let us know this is what is happening. Because we're here to work with you as a team to ensure that your business is successful and you are compliant as it pertains to what you should be contributing to the scheme.